Yo, what are you telling me, people? Welcome back to another video with me exploring with ads. In today's video, I'm on my way to Old Horsepath Village. The reason is because there's the old Victorian disused railway bridge. The reason why I'm going there is because there's plans for the bridge to be demolished, but local residents ain't having none of it. They've been protesting for the demolition to not take place and all the rest of it, because it's a part of history. And it's over 100 years old at the end of the day, people, so it is part of history, and really it shouldn't be demolished. So I think in all fairness, yeah, they got all the more reason. So I'm on my way there now. The main reason why I'm heading there is not only because it's a disused railway bridge, but because there's scaffolding going up the side of it. I'm adding a picture in now, just here, of the local residents protesting about it, that they're not happy, that they don't want it demolished, and of the scaffolding next to it. I'm going there to climb it. So people, I'm switching to my GoPro mode now of when I get there, and I'm about to start climbing it. Right people, and I'm here. I'm recording off the GoPro on my head mount. I've got to try and make this as fast as I can. The local residents that live all around. I've already had to dodge a couple of people, wait for them to go before I jumped in here. I'm going for it. My bike's calm there. I was going to try and get a different sort of angle shot in order to be able to fucking, yeah, you know what I'm saying. I'm going for it, straight up this side here. Ready people? Let's go. Here are people. Some people there walking a dog. I'm going to have to make this as quick as possible. And this, if anyone remembers from any of my previous videos, you'll remember me exploring the disused railway tunnel. Basically that tunnel originally led all the way from right down there, and obviously it's disused, it's now used for bats, and the railway tracks would be somewhere under here, because it would have run all the way through. I can't remember what the crossing was, but look back through my videos, you will see what I was on about. But it's the old disused railway tunnel, like I just said. It used to run all the way from far down there, the massive tunnel, all the way up here, from the nature reserve, like all through the nature reserve, all the way down to here. And this is the old Victorian bridge. They were planning to demolish it, as I've already said. And yeah, there's quite a few residents about. I'm not liking it. They're looking, but I'm doing my thing, people. There's quite a few people about, just so you can see. If this fence went here and I cut all the way down and through here, it would have originally led all the way down to the disused railway tunnel, which led, I can't remember how long it was. I gave a good description in my previous video. Just look back through my vids and you'll see disused railway tunnel. Would have ran all the way down here. I want to climb it down that side, but might as well climb back down this side. Yeah, I'm doing this, people. I don't really want to use the ladder either. I just want to go for it. Straight over the side. Hopefully no one's rang the old fucking bill. Too much of a gap. Or I could do it there. Take the danger route. Easiest way down. Easiest way, I say. I'll make it quick, people, because as I just said, there's residents and they will snitch. This way. This is the old Victorian bridge. I see why there's plans to demolish it. It's all crumbling away. But yeah, you have a look on the other side. Hopefully no one rings the old bill. Yeah, be a better way of seeing it. You see an old railway, and if I went like up this next bit here and all the way up, it'll lead me up to the Disused Railway tunnel. But this is it, people. I'm on a mad one. Just climbing the scaffolding, as you see, all the way down. And that is it. And you know who it is? It's me, it's Ads, from Exploring with Ads. I came to explore the Old Disused Railway Bridge. It's Victorian. Like I said, a load of local residents weren't happy that there was plans to demolish it, so they were protesting. I came here, I've done this madness. I fucking climbed from the bottom all the way to the top. I know it weren't a lot of people. You see the view from the top, and then I climbed all the way back down. So, people, thanks for watching. I look forward to doing the next video. I don't know where it's going to be yet, but look forward to it. It's coming. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You've been Exploring with Ads. I'll see you at the next one, people. Peace. Don't forget